Ayan guys, ito yung aking tanim na moss rose. Ayan guys, blooming na blooming ang ating halaman na moss rose or Portulaca grandiflora. Ayan. Moss rose is a semi-succulent plant that stores water in its fleshy leaves and stems. Bright green leaves up to an inch long are oblong to cylindrical with pointed tips and are arranged alternately or a small cluster along reddish multi-branch prostrate to slightly ascending stem. Ayan guys, look at the flowers. Sobrang ganda guys ng flowers ng moss rose. Ayan, maraming mga variety or different kind of flowers ang moss rose. Meron siyang kulay white. Ayan, merong kulay white guys ako. And then, hindi pa nagbo-blooms yung kulay yellow. Meron din akong kulay yellow. Ayan, meron din pong kulay violet, kulay orange, and of course, ang pinaka nagustuhan kong kulay guys, itong ano siya, yung parang mix ng red. Ayun, may dumapo na na tawag doon, butterfly colokers. Ayan, meron siyang red with pink. Sobrang ganda guys yung pagka-mix ng kanyang kulay. And do you know that this kind of flowers is nagbo-blooming guys yung kanyang mga flowers during when the sun is so hot. Ayan. This herbaceous plant in the porcelain family is cultivated throughout the world as a garden annual for its showy flowers that bloom all summer long with a little care. Ayan, meaning to say na no need mong alagaan masyado guys ang moss rose. Ayan guys, guarda. Sobrang ganda, nakaka-amaze yung kanyang beautiful flowers. Ayan guys, oh. Nakakatuwa ang kanyang mix ng kanyang ng kanyang flowers is, ayan, merong pink with violet with orange, pinagsama na guys, kaya sobrang ganda. Ayan, and napansin ko guys, nagbo-bloom siya tuwing at 10 o'clock, starting at 10 o'clock in the morning. Ayan, and hanggang hapon na yan. Tapos, ayan guys, oh. Napansin ko, ayan. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang flowers. Ayan, diligan mo lang siya guys kapag dry na yung kanyang mga soil. And continuous yung kanyang pamumulaklak during the summer season. Moss rose is a succulent plant that stores water in its fleshy leaves and stems. Bright green leaves up to an inch long are oblong to cylindrical with pointed tips. Ay yung kanyang leaves guys, bright green leaves with pointed tips are arranged alternately or a small cluster along reddish multi-branch prostrate to slightly ascending stems. Stems can be somewhat fragile and break easily. Will rope if the soil is moist enough. Ayan. And then guys, ito ay nagro-grow siya up to 3 to 8 inches high, arising from the central fibrous root system. Ang kanyang flowers, guys, yung shape ng kanyang flowers is like a saucer shaped rose-like flowers. O, ayan, dinidiligan natin, guys. Just to, how to make a dilig iyo. Iyo. Ano ba yan? Kalokers. They are only open in bright sunlight, closing at night and a cloudy days. Ayan, hindi nagbo-blooming yung kanyang mga flowers kapag during the closing at night and cloudy days. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang flowers. When open, the flowers can nearly hide to foliage. Flowers come in white in a wide range of warm colors, including pink, peach, yellow, orange, red, fuchsia, magenta. Ano yung kulay ng magenta? Sino nakakaalam dyan, guys? Taas ang kamay. Lavender and purple. Ayan. Newer cultivars and hybrids offer a greater range of shades than in the species, and some are striped or spotted with contrasting colors. Ayan, guys, yung aking kudigo kapag ako ay nag-aalaga ng aking mga halaman. Ayan, pinapag-aralan ko talaga, guys. Each flower has 5 pepper 10 petals. Ayan, take note, guys. 5 pepper 10 petals, although semi-double and double types have been developed with multiple sets of petals. Petals surrounds of a group of 40 or more stamens and 5 to 8 stigmas in the center. Take note, guys, depending on the variety of flowers can be 1 up to 3 inches across. Okay? Rose makes a good budding plant in a hot, dry area. Ayan, guys. Kailangang yung ating moss rose ay nasa naiinitan ng araw. Meaning to say, direct to the sunlight. Grow moss rose in full sun in most soil types as long as they are well drained. Ayan, tapos na pala guys. Salita ako. Ayan na pala si Lola Yang. Oh. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye-bye. See you around, guys. Thank you.